Don Quinonci, the politically connected Durban businessman and leading advocate for black economic empowerment, died of a heart attack in Durban last night. The 63-year-old businessman was a top ally of President Jacob Zuma. He died of a massive heart attack at a friend's home where there was a party, his friend Andre Kipila said. Quinonci had strong ANC links and helped form the Friends of Jacob Zuma Trust. Friends of JZ Trust ready to help Zuma pay back Nkandla money. Earlier this year he offered to help Zuma repay his Nkandla debt. He is married to businesswoman Zodwa Mzimang who is away in the U.S., Kipila said. Quinonci ran the Black Management Forum in the 1980s and was the first person of prominence to promote black economic empowerment. He was involved in the KwaZulu-Natal Growth Coalition and gained controversy when, as chairman of the Central Energy Fund in the mid-1990s, appointed former Liberian Finance Minister Emmanuel Shaw as an advisor at R3 million a year.